Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are good. And my my name is Tis, and I'm a consultant trainer at Sankhyana Consultancy Service from the last 4 years. So let us talk about the Sankhyana first. So Sankhyana is an IT firm which provides you the consulting, analytic, and training to the student and professional from the last 8 years. So today is your second day of your webinar session, orientation session. And in this orientation session, right, we will discuss about the SAS reporting and presentation using the ODS procedure. ODS that stands for Output Delivery System. Okay. So yesterday we had discussed about the what is SAS, what is SAS framework, right? What is SAS prime process, advantage of the SAS, right? And today we will discuss about the what is the key feature of the SAS and how to use the ODS procedure in the SAS. Okay, so SAS, right? That is your statistical analysis system. Provide you the output delivery system, that is ODS procedure for generating the report and presentation. So here the ODS procedure allow you to create the output in the different format such as HTML, that is your hypertext markup language, PDF, RTF file, Excel file, and the PowerPoint, right? And it also gives you the control over the appearance and the layout of your output and make it easy to create the professional looking report. So by using the ODS procedure in SAS, right, you can easily generate the report and presentation in the various format. And you can also customize the appearance that include the multiple output within a single file or across the different files, right? So here the flexibility that provided by the ODS, that is output delivery system, allow you to create the professional looking output for sharing and presenting your SAS result. So today in this session, right, we will discuss about the key feature of your SAS and how to use ODS procedure in the SAS. Okay, so let us discuss what is the key feature of the SAS? No. So, so these are the key feature, like you can say the data management, analytic, business intelligence, data mining, and reporting and output. Okay. So, SAS, what is the first key feature? The first key feature here is the data management, right? So SAS provides you the powerful data management, and you can say it also provides you the powerful data manipulation and the transformation capability. Okay, and it supports the data integration, data cleaning, data quality assessment, and data extraction from the various sources. So SAS also allow you to import and export the data in the different format and merge the data set, filter and sort the data and create the new variable. Okay. SAS provide you the second feature, like it provide you the analytic. Okay, SAS provide you the analytic. So SAS offer a wide range of statistical and analytical procedure for the data exploration, modeling, and prediction. And these include your regression analysis of variance, that is also called as ANOVA. It also help in the clustering the data and do performing the time-series analysis, right? So SAS also provides the advanced analytic capability for predictive modeling and machine learning. Okay. SAS provide you the business intelligence also. So SAS provides the tool for creating the interactive dashboard, like you can dashboard report and visualization. and it allows you to generate the summary statistics and create your own custom format and visualize the data using the chart, graph, and map. With the help of SAS, right, it also supports the data exploration and analysis through its interactive data exploration interfaces. SAS also provide you to perform the data mining. Okay, so SAS offer the data mining technique to uncover the hidden pattern, relationship, and insight from the large data set. It includes the tool for the exploratory data analysis, association analysis, text mining, sentiment analysis, and the social work analysis. So this capability, right, help the organization to make the data-driven decision and discover the valuable insight from their data. And the last key feature of the SAS is reporting and output. Okay, so SAS provide you the flexible option for generating and delivering the reports and output. So here the output delivery system allow the user to customize the appearance and the format of the output, such as you can say the HTML, PDF, RTF, Excel, right? So here SAS also support the integration with the other reporting tool and platform. Now, so next we will discuss how to use the ODS procedure in the SAS. Okay, so these are the seven steps, or you can say the. So here we have the basic overview of how to use the ODS procedure in SAS for reporting and presentation. So first we have the enable the ODS destination. Okay, so before generating any output, okay, you need to enable the ODS destination for the desired output format. Okay, so suppose if you want to suppose whatever the analysis report you have, okay, so if you want to export your analysis result into the PDF format, okay, if you want to export it to the PPT, that is your power presentation file, and if you want to export to the RTF file, so you can easily do, but first you have to enable the ODS destination. Second is you have to generate your SAS output. Okay, so here you will write the SAS code to generate the desired output, such as you can say the summary table, graph, and any other result. After that, you will specify the ODS output option. Okay, so here you will specify the various options to control the appearance and the behavior of your output. For example, you can say you can set the option for the title, footnote, and the table of content page break. Okay, in your PDF. After that, create the output, create the ODS output. Okay, so once you have specified the necessary option, right, you can use the ODS procedure to create the output. Okay, and here you can specify the file, or you can say the file location where you want the output to be saved. Okay, now after that, run your SAS code. So after this, you will execute your SAS code to generate the output and direct it to the SAS ODS destination that you have specified. Next, close the ODS destination. So whenever we are opening, okay, whenever we are opening the ODS statement, okay, so we need to close it also. So after generating the output, right, here we will close the ODS destination to finalize the file, right? And after that, next and the last step, repeat for the additional output. Okay, so if you need to generate the multiple output in a different format, then you have to repeat the step 1 to 6 with the appropriate ODS destination and option. right? Now, let us go back to the SAS studio, and there we will write the code and we will try to understand all these steps. So, so this is my SAS studio, okay, where we write the code. So yesterday, right, we had created the one report. Let us write the code once again. Suppose I am writing the code. I am writing here the print data is equal to saself dot class and run. Now, when you will execute this, right? So let us go and check. So here I am writing saself dot class, right? So go to the library, okay? Go to the library and go to the SAS help. So SAS help is your library, okay? And within the SAS help library, I have the class table, okay? Now, so when you go and here you will find that here we have the SAS help library, right? So in the my library section, you will find the different. So some of the library are the user defined library, and some of here are the permanent library, right? So you can see here we have the SAS help library, that is your permanent library, or it is your read only library. Now, when you will open this, right, you will find here the class dataset, or you can say class table within the SAS help library. Okay, open this, and as you will open this, right, you will find that in this table, in this class table, we have total 5 columns, that is name, sex, age, height, and weight. And we have total 19 rows. Okay. So in this table, we have total 19 rows and 5 columns. Right. I want to print this data. Okay. I want to print the report. Okay. I want to create the report. Right. What will I do that? I am writing here the prop. Okay. That is procedure. And I'm writing here the prop print, okay, data is equal to, and here I'm specifying the data that I want to print, okay. So I'm specifying here my data is present in the SAS help library, and within the SAS help I have the class dataset. Now when I will execute, so to execute this, right, either you can click on this running man symbol, or you can click F3, function 3 from your keyboard. Now, as you will execute, right, you will find that a report is generated, right? A report is generated, and here you can also see that here we have total 19 row and 5 column, right? Now, suppose if you want to enhance the report, right? Suppose if you want to enhance the report, so I will add here the title. Okay, suppose I am writing here the title. Okay, title, and I am writing here the title student data set. Okay, I am writing here the student data. Okay, now after that you will put a semicolon. Now execute this. So one more thing, right? When you are opening the title, right? So always one thing always remember, you have to close the title also, right? So you will write here the null title to close. Okay. Now run this, and now you can see that our title is added, okay, see that at the top of the report, student data, right? So here what I am doing, here I am enhancing my report, right? I'm adding my title, okay? So whatever the text you want to add, right? Just write a title statement here. Title is nothing, title is your global statement, okay? So you will write the title statement, and after that within the quotation mark, okay, within the quotes, you will write the text that you want to add as a title to your report. Now in the same way, suppose if you want to add the footnote, right? If you want to add the footnote, so what will you do? You will write it here, the footnote, okay, and within the quotation mark, you will add the text that you want to add the footnote to your report. So here I am writing here the footnote as I am writing here the school purpose only. Okay, the school purpose only. Now put a semicolon, and when you are opening the title and the footnote, you have to end that. Okay, so I will write it here the null footnote. Now you will find that in your report, right? In your report, we have added here the footnote to your report, right? That is just below your report. Look at here, the school purpose only, right? The school purpose only. So whatever the footnote that you want to add to your report to enhance your report, okay, you can do that. Now after this, okay, so we were discussing. So here, by using the procedure, right? By using the procedure, you can create the report, okay? And we were discussing about the ODS statement, right? That is output delivery system. So now, what is the syntax for that? Okay, what is the syntax for the ODS? So the syntax for the ODS is you will write it here the ODS. You will ODS, and you will write here the destination file. Okay, you will write here the destination in which you want to export. Okay, you will write here the destination, and you will write here the file. Okay, you will write here the file is equal to file is equal to, and within the quotation mark, okay, within the quotation mark, you will write here the path, okay, followed by you will write here the file name dot extension, semicolon, and after that if you want to after that within that you have to write here the statement. Okay, you will add the statement here, and then I will close your destination. Okay, so you will write here ODS destination, ODS destination close, right? So this is your syntax. Okay, this is your syntax of your ODS statement. Okay, now so here I can write, let me write it here the syntax, and now comment it. Now let us understand. Suppose same one, okay, same code. Suppose I have written here, right? I am writing here. Suppose I want to export my report into the PDF file. Okay, suppose I want to export my report, this report. Let me show you the report. So this is your report, okay? Uh, and I want to export this report into the PDF file, right? How can I do that? So I will go to the code and here I will write ODS, okay? ODS, and you will write here the destination in which that you want to convert, okay? So here I am writing here PDF and I am writing here the file is equal to, okay? And I will write here, I will give the path, okay? I will add the path where it can store this PDF file, okay? Output file you can also say. So I will go to the file, okay? And you can see here I have the output, right? I have the different output here, right? What will I do? I will give the path of this output folder, okay? Or other way, what I can do, I will just go to this, okay? I will go to this home and I will create the new folder here. Okay, suppose I am creating the new folder and you can write any name, okay? Suppose I am writing here the practice session, or you can write ODS practical also. Okay, and save it. Now, so I am giving the path of this folder. So copy this and paste the path here. Now, after this, I will I will give the name of the file, name of the output file. Okay, output file. So I'm writing here the class dot PDF. Okay, class dot PDF, and you will put a semicolon here. Now after that, I will copy this code, okay, and I will paste it here, okay. So and now if you are opening the ODS statement, right, then you have to close this also, right. So what will I do that? I will write it here, the ODS PDF close semicolon, okay. So here we are opening the ODS and here we are closing, right? Now what you do, execute this code, okay? Execute this code. Now coding executed, and whenever you are writing the code and after the execution of to go to the log window and always check the log, okay? Look at this, okay? Is there any error or the warning, okay? And in notes, so you can see that here the ODS statement in the SAS Studio environment may disable some output feature, and you can see here writing the ODS PDF output to this destination. Okay, okay, fine. Now, so let us go to this ODS practical folder, and you'll find that a class.pdf file is generated here. Okay, class.pdf file is generated here. Open this. Okay, to open this, what will you do that? Either you can double click on this or you can just select it and click on the download. Okay, click on the download and open this. Now you'll find that, see that we have exported our report into the PDF file. Look at this Saturday, right? June 10, 2023, and the time is also there, right? And see that Here I have added the title is also coming, and footnote is also coming to this report. See that for the school purpose only. Okay. Suppose I am doing the analysis of my data set. Okay. Analysis in the data set, right? We have the different procedure, right, through which you can do the analysis. Like we have the proc means, proc univariate, proc frict, right? So through that, so we are doing the analysis, right? So let me give you one example here. Let me show you the example. Okay, now, so let us go to the code. Let me write one more code here. Suppose I am writing here. Suppose I am writing here. Proc means data is equal to. I will use the same data set because now we are familiar with this class data set, right? So I will use the same data set. So I am writing here the SAS dot class and run. Okay. So right now here I am not using any statement like where statement. Okay. So what is going to happen here if I am not adding any statement, means statement? So you can see when I will execute this proc means, right? So it is going to give me the statistics of the data of all the numeric variables. So in the class dataset, okay, in the class dataset, when you will go to the result, right, you will find that here we have the three numeric variable like age, height, and weight. So when I will write the proc means, right, when I will use the proc means, okay, it is going to give me the different statistics, okay, of the numeric variable. Okay, so here we have the three numeric variable, right? Now let us go and execute the code. Now you will find that it is giving me the statistics, like you can say the n, that is number of observations, mean, the standard deviation, minimum value, and maximum value for all these three variables. So have a look. All these three variables, that is age, weight, and the age, height, and weight, all are the numeric variable in the class table, right? And it is giving you the statistics for these three variables. So for the age column, for the age variable, it is giving you the mean of that variable, giving you the standard deviation, minimum value, and maximum value, right? Right. So go to the code, and suppose if you want to export, okay, if you want to export this analysis result, or suppose if you don't want all these three analysis, okay, what you do, you can use here the where statement, okay. Suppose if you are writing here the where and you are specifying here the numeric column, okay. Here my numeric column is height, right? I will write it here height and run this. Now, so here where is what? Where stand for analysis variable, right? Now run this. Now you can see that it is giving you the analysis report for only the height variable or column, right? Look at this, the mean value, that is 62.33, standard is 5.12, minimum value 51.30, maximum value 22. Like that, it is giving you the analysis report. Now suppose I want to export this analysis report into the different destination, right? So right now we have seen how to export our report into the PDF destination. Now in the same way, suppose I want to export this analysis report into the HTML file, that is hypertext markup language file. Okay, so what will I do that? I will write here the ODS and I will write here the destination. Okay, so HTML. Okay, and you will write here the file is equal to, and you will specify this path. Okay, within the quotation mark, and from the PDF you will write it here the .html. Now close this. So how will you close this ODS procedure? So for that I will write here the ODS HTML close. Okay. Now execute this. So here you can see that here I am getting an error, right? Okay, what is the error? Okay, yeah, sorry. So I was selecting this line also, so that was the error. Now just hide this and execute. 1 minute. What is the error? Just go. So ODS statement says you disable the okay. Okay, fine, not a problem. Remove this and okay. Okay, I know what is no. See what I have done now. I have left the semicolon. Okay, I have left the semicolon here. So that is the reason it is throwing me an error. Now execute. Now it will work fine. Now you can see that it is giving you the output, but this is not my final output. Okay, I want my final output in the HTML, right? HTML. What do you do? Just select this and click on the download. And when you will open this, see that it is giving you the analysis report. Okay, it is giving you the analysis. In the same way, okay, in the same way, suppose if you want to, suppose you are writing the code here, okay, you are writing the code here, right? And if you want to export to the PowerPoint also, right? I'm writing the code here. Just a minute. I'm writing one code like that. PostScript data is equal to. This time I'm SAS self dot cars. I'm taking the cars data set and run. Now execute this. And I can write it here. Suppose I'm writing here the table. Okay, table, and I'm writing here the variable name, that is origin, semicolon. Okay, origin semicolon. Now execute this code. So I'm writing PostScript data is equal to SAS.cars table origin and run. So what is going to happen here? It is going to give you the total count of the unique value within the origin. So let us execute, and you will find that in the origin column, in the origin variable, we have a three distinct value. Okay, we have a three distinct value, that is Asia, Europe, and USA. And so, what is the total number of occurrence? Okay, total number of frequency of this ACR in the origin column. So you can also say what is the total number of count and frequency of this Europe in the origin column or variable. So look at this frequency here. It is giving you in your car table. Okay, there are 158 row which belong to the Asia origin. We have 123 row which belong to the Europe. Okay, and we have 147 row which belong to the USA, right? And it is giving you the percentage also, cumulative per frequency and cumulative percent, right? Now suppose, now execute this. So when I will execute this, you are getting this report, right? You are getting this report. Now I want to export this report into the HTML, right? I want to export this report into the PowerPoint. Okay, how will I do that? I will do this. What will I do that? I will write here the ODS statement. I will just copy this code and I will paste it here. In place of HTML, right now we have to export, okay, into the PowerPoint. So I will write it here, the PowerPoint, and here, right, in place of extension .html, I will write here the ppt.ppt. So for the PowerPoint file, what is the extension? That is .ppt, right? And I will write here the ODS to close my ODS experiment. ODS. I will write it. I will write the PowerPoint. Okay, and close. Okay, now. So here I will write here the cars. Okay, I will just change the name. Okay, cars.ppt. Now run this. So you can see you are getting the, go to the log. Okay, in the log you will find that here the writing the PowerPoint. Okay, that is outputted. Now go to this, you will find it here cars.ppt file is there in my ODS practical. Now select this and click on the download. Now when you will open this file, you can see that your analysis report is converted, okay, exported to the PPT file. Okay, and here you can, if you want to do the changes, right, you can do that. Okay, if you want to do the changes, you can also do. Okay, so like that. Okay, like that. Understanding? Now in the same way, let us close this. Yeah. Let me share my whole screen because I think it is not visible to you. Is it visible, the output that I have shown you right now? Let me go to the download and here open this, right? See, this is the output. Okay, it is converted into the PPT, that is for presentation, right? No. Okay, no. Now suppose same file, okay, same analysis report I want to export it into the different destination, right? Different destination in the sense, right? I want to export this into the you can say the HTML, right? I want to export it into the PDF, right? How will I do? Means every time I have to write the code? No, not like that. What do you do? Just write the ODS statement, okay? So I will write it here once again. This ODS statement. Suppose I am copying this, okay, and I'm pasting here, and I'm also pasting here, okay, this one. Now, so I want to export this result, okay. I want to export this result into a different destination, like you can say PDF, HTML, and the PowerPoint. Okay, so I will write it here. I can use here. I can write the multiple ODS statement. Okay, so I will write here. Suppose first one I am writing here the PDF. Okay, and here I am writing here the dot PDF. Okay, so here the destination and the extension of the extension should be same. Now PowerPoint, so okay, that is correct. Okay, so let me change it here, and I'm writing here the HTML. Okay, HTML, and here also I will write here the dot HTML, right? And instead of writing the ODS PDF close, ODS HTML close, right? ODS PowerPoint close. One way to close is that what you do, instead of writing the 3 times, write it here the ODS underscore all underscore close. Okay, so it is going to close the destination, right? Close the ODS. Now run this. Now we'll go and check it here. Here we have the cars.html, cars.pdf, right? And cars.ppt, right? It is exported, right? So like that you can export, okay, through the ODS procedure, right? ODS statement, right? You can output into a different destination, like you can say Excel file, CSV file, RTF, PowerPoint, HTML, and PDF. Okay, right. So here the output delivery system, right? It enables you to export your report to the common format that we use in our everyday business. Like you can say the PowerPoint. Okay, by using the PowerPoint destination, you can convert it to the Microsoft Word by using the RTF destination. Okay, RTF is nothing. It is a rich text format destination. Okay, it is just a word file. Okay, now suppose I am writing one code. Okay, let me show you. Okay, suppose I am writing the code here, and I'm writing here the proc means data is equal to SAS dot cars. Okay, SAS dot cars, and semicolon, and here I'm writing class or class. Okay, you can write. So here my origin. Let me write here the origin. Okay, classification variable is origin, and here my analysis variable is MSRP. Okay, MSRP, and run. Now highlight it and execute this. So now you can see that here we are getting the analysis report for the MSRP, by origin. Okay, so you can see that here you are getting the report, right? Now, I'm writing one more procedure step. I'm writing one more procedure step. So let us suppose I'm writing here the proc HG plot. Yeah, let us write proc HG plot. HG plot data is equal to SAS dot cars. Okay, and here I'm through the HG plot procedure. I'm plotting here the histogram. Okay, I'm writing here the histogram. Right. Uh, and I am writing here the variable name that is MSRP, and density I am writing here density here also I am writing the MSRP and run. Right, right. Now, now execute this both the code. Now when you will execute this, right? So this is your this is your result. So here it is giving you the analysis report, and here this is your histogram report. Okay, histogram, right? Now suppose I want to export this destination to the PDF. Okay, I want to export this destination to the PDF. So what will I do that? I will write it here the ODS. Sorry, ODS. I will write the destination name PDF, and I will write here the file is equal to. I will just copy this path. Okay, I will just copy this path. Right, and let me just change the name here, cars, or you can say updated underscore cars. Okay, this is my name of the file. Okay, the PDF file, right? And after that, suppose if I want to add the label. Okay, suppose if I want to add the label, so how will I do that? So for that, I have the ODS proc label. I will write it here the ODS proc label. Okay, so you can see it enable you to change the procedure label, right? Okay, fine. And I'm writing here the cars dataset. Okay, or you can say analysis of cars data. Okay, and so this is this proc label for the first main procedure, right? Proc main. Now I also want to add the label to this edge plot procedure. So what will I do that? I will just copy this code and I will paste it here, and I'm writing here the proc label, and okay, I can write it here. Histogram. Sorry, histogram report of cars data. Okay, now fine. Okay, so after that, I want to. Okay, here I will write ODS. Sorry, ODS PDF close. Okay, semicolon. Now, now, so see that what is my file name? That is updated underscore car. So this updated underscore car PDF file my both the report will come. Okay, both the report will come. Check it here, execute this, and go to this updated underscore car in your ODS practical and download it. And when you will download it, you will find that first the main procedure is coming, right? Main procedure, and the second this histogram plot is coming, right? And you can see here, you can see here I have added the label, right? I've added the proc label like to the first one, right? I have added the analysis of the cards data, and the second one is your histogram report. So just click, it is giving you the first. When you click on this second one, histogram of the report, it is giving you the histogram report of your cards data. Now, right now, okay. Suppose if you want to add the journal, okay. Suppose if you want to add the style also. So what you just go to the code and write it here. Write it here. Sorry. Write it here. The style is equal to, look at the report now. Look at this graph. Look at this graph. How it is coming. Now when I will write the style is equal to journal. Okay. Now. Sorry, I am writing somewhere else. Okay, just a minute. I should write here. My mistake. So I will write here the style is equal to journal. Okay, journal. Okay. Now, see here. So, okay. Are you seeing any changes? Okay, if you are not, I think you are not able to see the changes here. Okay, not a problem. So we have the different type of the journal. Okay, suppose if you want to know what are the different journal here. So suppose if you want, so I will write it here, the proc template. Okay, proc template. Okay, list style. I have the different style here. Styles, okay, and run. Okay, let us see what are different style that is available. Now you can see here I have the different style like that, HTML blue, right, Harvey. So these are, you can see the one that we are using right now, that is journal. Okay, so, and like that we have the different okay. Suppose let me use anyone. Let me suppose HTML styles HTML blue, or you can say journal. Suppose I am using this meadow. Okay, this one meadow. Now just go to this code and write it here. The journal is equal to, style is equal to meadow. Okay, let me write it here. MEDO. Okay, I think that is correct. So MEADO. Okay. MEADO. Okay. Now execute the code. Highlight it and execute. Okay, so okay, not a problem. Just download it and check it once again. See here, are you getting the changes in the report? Yes, right. Look at this. Look, the edit, it changes, right? Earlier it is in the blue, but when I am in the middle, it changes, right? So like that, you can do that. Okay, like that we have we have the different option like TOC, so like that, page TOC like that to control PDF TOC, start page. So we have a different option, right? That you can use it here. Okay, so that is all about, and so now to this, let us talk about the Sankhyana. So as in the beginning I said, so Sankhyana consultancy service is an IT firm which provides you the consulting, analytic, and training to the student and professional from the last 8 years. And these are the different office. We have the office in the Bangalore, and we have the office in the Bihar also, Dairy on Sundar Bihar, and we have the new office recently that is opened in the Kenya. Okay, so like that, if you have any technical query or the non-technical query, right, you can contact at this number. Okay, and if you have any doubt, if you have any query, right, so you can ask me right now also. So thank you everyone for joining this session.